Hello and welcome. In this video, we will try to learn how to create a token on Harmony chain and how to list it on swap.harmony.one and then how to show it on DEX Screener and how to show it on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap. Let's start. So first we need to find the platform. The platform is on Kilopi.net. When we come to Kilopi.net, you can click the ecosystem at top. Then you need to slide down a little bit. You need to find the application named Forge. You need to click Forge and then you need to choose Harmony. Once you open this page, now we are on the platform to create a token on Harmony chain. So let's close these ones now. So the important nodes are on the right side and the token creation is on the left side. To create a token on Harmony, we need to have a MetaMask, as you can see in here. Then our MetaMask needs to be on Harmony chain. And then in our MetaMask wallet, we need to have some Harmony One coins. As you can see in here, at least 1001 coins we need to have. So let's try to handle these tasks first. If you are not familiar with MetaMask, you need to learn what MetaMask is and how to use MetaMask first. So to do that, you can search online, you can search YouTube or Google, you will find many documentation. It's very easy. You can go to the MetaMask wallet, metamask.io, and then you can click in here, install or add on Google Chrome. Then you will be able to add on Google Chrome. The first time you open your MetaMask, it will push you to create a wallet address. While creating your wallet address, you need to have 12 keywords from MetaMask and you need to keep them safe. You should not show it to anyone else other than you, and then you should keep it in a safe place. That's the password of your wallet address. So we have installed our MetaMask, we have created our wallet. Now we need to switch to Harmony mainnet. To switch to Harmony mainnet, there are two ways. The first one is the easy one. You can go to the chainlist.org. You can write Harmony on top. Then you will be able to see Harmony mainnet shard0. You can click add to MetaMask and you will be able to add it to the MetaMask. If this is not working for you, you can go to Google, you can write Harmony and MetaMask. Only you don't need to write anything else and add in Harmony. Once you come to this page, go down a little bit, you will be able to see the details in here. You can click your MetaMask. You can click the networks, add a custom network. And in here, you can transfer the information from here to here. Network name, default RPC URL, chain ID, symbol, and block explorer URL. Now you have defined Harmony mainnet shard0 and you have a valid address on MetaMask. Next thing, we need to have at least 1001 coins to create a token. To do that, you need to transfer some one coins from an exchange to your MetaMask wallet. You can use any exchange you prefer. Right now I'm using Gate.io. It's not a specific choice. It's just a random choice. So I have some one coins in here. For example, to get these one coins from the exchange to your MetaMask wallet, you need to copy this address, your wallet address, and then you need to come to this page. You need to click withdraw on Harmony One coins. Once you click withdraw, you will come to another page. You will see the coin choice and you need to input your address. You need to copy and paste your address in here, then click an empty place and it will tell you this address format is correct or not. So right now the address format is not correct. As you can see, there is a red warning message. So we need to switch our MetaMask wallet address format to the correct format. To do that, you need to go to Google. You need to write Explorer Harmony. You need to come to the Explorer Harmony page. Then we already have copied this address. We need to copy this address. We need to paste it in this input. Then we will be able to see a line. We need to click it. Once we come to this page, at the top right, there is a button in here. You can click again and again, as you can see, continuously. Every time you click, this address format is changing. The address format ending with 61F is the correct wallet address of mine. I'm checking it is correct. Then I am clicking one time in here and I see now the other formats, starting with one. So I copy this address and then come to the exchange again. And I am pasting this new address to here and then I'm clicking an empty place again. Now, as you can see, my address format is correct. Then I am choosing how many one coins I need to transfer from the exchange to my MetaMask wallet. I write a number and then I click withdrawal, and then the one coins are being transferred from the exchange to my MetaMask wallet. So I have already done this inside of my wallet. As you can see, I have 1002 Harmony One coins. So after finalizing this part, now we have our MetaMask wallet. We are on Harmony mainnet short 0 and we have enough one coins to create a token. Now we can create a token. The thing that we need to do now, we need to connect our wallet to this page. So once you come to this page, you need to see connected wallet address should be same with the address you see on your MetaMask wallet. So this wallet address is ending with 61F, and this wallet address again ending with 61F. If there is a mistake in here, if you cannot see a wallet address in here, you can click this button. This button will forward you to connect your wallet to this page. Then you will be able to see an address. If the address mismatch with the MetaMask wallet address, then you need to click connect button in here. There will be a connect button. If there is no connect button, you can click here and there will be a connect button in here. Then you will be able to see the address correctly matched. So we are ready to create a token. There are some important notes in here. We need to check them first. So we have already handled the MetaMask part. For the name, it should be from 5 letters to 20 letters, so optimum. Example, there is an example in here, Kilopi. For symbol, from 3 to 5 letters. For total supply, from 100K to 100 billion. So for the decimals, from 2 to 18, but the optimum one is 6. So we will fill them. So for website, it is optional. You can enter a website or not. It depends on you. And the other one is add to token list on the left menu. Once you create a token in here, you want to show it on the list on the left, or maybe you do not want to show it. So it depends on your choice. You can show it in there or not. If you want to show it, it is reasonable to show the web address as well. It depends on you. So in this example, I will write an example web page and then I will show it in the list. So we need to be careful on one thing. There are some tokens in here, there are websites in here. So a token project can create the details in here, but they can write another web page address other than their project. So you need to be careful. If you check this list, maybe the token is not connected with this web page. At that point, the responsibility is on you. You need to go to that web page and you need to confirm that token is correct for that web page. This is a warning. So other than that, you cannot change the total supply after you create a token. So you can burn later on, depends on you. There will be some new functionalities, but you cannot mint new tokens. So there is no freeze authority, there is no transaction fee system, there is no vesting system, etc. If you want to create these systems, you can create them later on. But if you want to create freeze authority, transaction fee system, or minting system, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, etc., they will create some small issues for you. For vesting system, there is no problem. You can create it later on. So this token creation protocol is creating a very simple, clean token. If you want to enlarge that project, enlarge the tokens capabilities, if you want to show it on CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, the screener, you will not have problems. So this is a clean creation. So advanced features can be added later on, like vesting systems and other systems. If you want to create these kinds of systems, you can send an email to info@kilopi.net and you will communicate with us. We will create some automated systems later on, but before that, you can reach to us, you can demand something, and we can discuss about them. So this decentralized application is fully open source under Kilopi repo. You can click in here, you can go to the GitHub page, you can see the Harmony token creator, you can copy it if you are a software developer. You will understand the details, you will work some time on that. Maybe you can create your own as well. So it is highly recommended to watch the tutorial video, this video. You need to watch it to understand things better, and then you can create your own token. So now let's try to start and create our token. We have created an example. Let's create another example as example 2. Example 2 is the name, and the symbol is EXMPEL. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, no problem. For total supply, I will go with 100 million as an example. And for decimals, I will use the optimum one as 6. For website address, I will write kilopi.net. It's an example, and I will add it to the token list on the left menu. So now I need to pay 1001 coins when I click here. So it is saying create a token. It is getting the 1 coins from us. It is getting around 970, as you can see in here. When I confirm, it is resuming to create the token. We need to wait at this part. Once it finalizes, it will show us the token address. So we need to copy it. We should not refresh the page at this part. So once we see this address, we need to copy it. We need to save it in a safe place first to keep it safe. Then we need to go to the tokens on our MetaMask. We need to click import and then paste the token address. Example, 6 decimals. Next, we can see the total supply, import, and now I have my example tokens 100 million on my MetaMask. I have created, I'm the owner, and I have all the tokens as for now. So I can close this one now. So now when I go to token list, as you can see, example 2, example, we can see the total supply decimals and web page. And if we want to reach the token address again, we can copy it in here. If you do not add to the list, so you need to be very careful. You should not refresh the page until you get this address in a safe way. If you miss it, there's a way to check your wallet address transactions on Explorer Harmony.1. You can still find this address, token address, but it's going to be confusing for you. So now I have my token ready. I want to list it on swap.harmony.1. To go there, I will go to kilopi.net. I will go to markets. I will click Harmony. So right now I'm in swap.harmony.1. So I want to create a new pool. I need to be sure if this is the correct wallet address with me. So the ending is 61F and the ending is 61F again in here. So I will go to the positions. I will create a new position. The pair is showing in here. One of the coins is 1 and the other one is example 2. So my token, newly created token, the address is in here. I will copy it. I will paste it in here, and then example 2, I will click in here. I understand. Now I can create a liquidity. So I will choose fit here. You can choose whichever you prefer. I will click 1%. This part is very important. Please select full range and see 0 in here and unlimited in here. Then continue in here. You need to appoint a price for your token. This is very important. If I write 1 here, one coins will correspond 1 example tokens, and this will make my example token price extremely huge. For example, if half of these tokens are in circulation, I mean 50 million of tokens are in circulation, and the price is same with 1 coins. 1 coin's price is at the time of recording this video is 0.014 US dollars. So I will multiply this number, this one, and it is coming $700,000. It is a huge number for a project to start without great investments. So the number should be around 300,000 or $200,000. So the token price of our token should be lower than this. For example, half of this. So I will write 2 in here, and then I will put here 10 coins. As you can see, 10 coins corresponding to 20 example tokens. So right now, it is a reasonable price. If you're creating an example token, if you're creating a meme token, it can be lower than this. So you can write 3 to here. So one coins will correspond 30 example tokens. But in this example, we can use 2, and this is a good starting point if you're creating a serious project with a small team or by yourself, it doesn't matter. So once I decide all of them, I check everything is correct, and then I approve example, and then I click preview, and then it will show us all these information one more time to check when I click preview, and then you confirm again in your MetaMask, confirm again, and you create the liquidity. Now, I'm in this example, I'm not creating this liquidity. If you want to create the liquidity, create at least like $300 worth of one coins and then your tokens, etc. If you want to list it on DEX screener. So once you create the liquidity in here, when you come to this page swap, at the top we have one coins, and in here select token, you need to paste your address. You can find with pasting your address your token, example 2. If you do not paste your address in this list, you cannot see your tokens because it's not listed on swap.harmony.one. If you want to list your token in here, you need to create at least like $500, $1,000 worth of one coins, a liquidity. Then you need to have a web page, etc. Then you can go here. You can click the Telegram. You can communicate with Protofire team. Protofire team will check your project, and if they confirm, they will list your project in token in here with a logo. For the logo, you need to list it on CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap as well. So at this point, the first thing we need to know to list it, how to list it on DEX screener. Once you create your liquidity, if it is more than 200, 300 worth of US dollars, once you make transactions at least $20, like 2 or 3 transactions, then your token will automatically show up on DEX screener. On DEX screener, you need to go to the Harmony in here. Then you need to click swap. If you make these transactions, you will see your token listed in here. You can go to its page and you can see the details. And later, if you want to list it on CoinGecko, for CoinGecko, you need to have many other things. So you need to come to this page, CoinGecko, you need to go down, there's a request form. You can click this request form, and then new listing request, new token, you need to click it here. Then you can fill this form and apply for listing your token on CoinGecko, and the same progress is valid for CoinMarketCap as well. Listing the token on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap is kinda hard. You need to have a proper liquidity, proper web page, proper team, etc. You need to have many other things. So for this video, this is all. I hope you enjoyed the video. You can make some tests by creating tokens. If you have questions, you can write to info@kilopi.net, or you can join the Telegram channel in the description. And if you ask something, we will try to answer them. Hopefully everything goes well. Take care and see you in the next one. Bye.